welcome to Sense to Sense. Today we're talking about a foundational tool for financial independence, a will. Now, a will is going to ensure your assets go where you want, your kids are cared for by who you want them to be cared for, and your loved ones don't have to do all that fussing or that fighting. So let's break it down step by step. Number one, what is a will? A will is a legal document that outlines your wishes for how you want your assets, like your house, your car, your savings, your businesses. How do you want your assets distributed after you pass away? It also allows you to name a guardian for your minor children if you have minor children when you pass, and you also name someone who's calling these shots. Now, that's your executor. The executor calls the shots for you, so it has to be someone you trust. Step two, let's talk about creating a will. Here's how to create one. One, you're going to list your assets. Get your pen and paper and write down everything you own, your property, your bank accounts, your valuable items, stuff that matters to you. You're going to choose your beneficiaries, decide who's going to receive those assets. And again, your shot caller, your executive, who is it you trust enough to make sure that the wishes in your will are carried out. The most important thing for me is with having minor children is naming someone to take care of them if something does happen to me and my husband do pass. You can use online tools like FreeWill or consult an estate attorney to make sure that everything is right. Check with your state to make sure you know how to do it. Now, you also want to make sure you have two witnesses to sign it. I like to have mine notarized, so it's totally up to you. And number three, your final tip, store your will in a safe place like a firebox, a safe. Let your executor to know who you want to call the shot to know where to find it so they can make sure that it always plays out correctly and how you want it to do it. I always also update my will after life events, major life events, marriage, kids getting older, a sibling passing. A will is one of the simplest ways to secure your family's future. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, send it to somebody else who might find it helpful. I'm doing this information for my tribe, my people, the people that want to know this. So y'all ask more questions and I'll come back and talk to you about a healthcare director.